Here I am on the Racing Post website. I'm in my accounts. Prior to producing my speed figures, I need to work out the going allowances for yesterday's or weather meeting. So starting off at Lingfield, I have to click on analysis of winning times. You see Dave Edwards has already calculated his allowance. He's calculated that at 0.06 seconds per furlong, along with his top speed figures. Can be very useful sometimes, especially if you get stuck and you need a bit of help on what the going allowances should be. So the first thing I do is I copy all this information. Then I open up Excel because I have a macro with the formulas that I use. So I paste the information in Excel. Click on my macro. Just tidy this up a bit. Now I've got the layout. I first have to look at my standard times and put in the furlongs, the pounds per length for each distance. Then I look at the racing results. I put in the weight, and then the official ratings of winners carried. If you see here is a formula equals 100 minus L times M5. I start off on the flat using a weight of 9 stone plus a rating of 100. So as yesterday's meeting, the first race was 5 furlongs, so I know the furlongs is 5. The pounds per length is 3.48. As soon as I click enter, the rating would change. So here we are now, we're sitting with a speed figure of 72. This is for a going allowance of 0.00 per furlong. I enter in the weight, and the official rating for the horse is 70. Now I have all the figures entered in. In this column here in the official ratings, I need the average of the meeting. So looking at the actual meeting, the class quality of the meeting was 66. Looking at official ratings here, I can see straight away that one of the official ratings is at a skew to the rest. Where you've got sort of low grade affairs here, this figure here is high. And what I do occasionally, I've learned from experience, is just eliminate it. I just slide it out to the side, and straight away you see the class of the meeting is now 62. So what I look for now is the top 3 ratings. So these ratings here are still at 0.00 per furlong, so I'll select this one, 77. Then looking at 92 minus 2 is 90. And what shall we have? Well, I have this one here, 66 plus 7, 73. Again, take the average. And here you see we got a rating of 80 and the meeting average 8. The idea behind this is to tweak around in here. You learn this from experience, what to do and what not to do, and the idea behind it is to get the figure 80 to tie up with that one. So what we want in this to see there is 62 here, 62 there. Then you know you've got the class of the meeting right. So straight away I can see what, there's 62, 18 there. So in the allowance box I go 0.08. Then I now recorrect these ratings. 57 and 5 is 62. 78 minus 2, 76. 51 plus 7, 58. And again here you can maybe go in and look for another figure, you know, something that might help, like you here put in 51 plus 2 is 53. And see, just playing about with these figures, you know, the idea is to drill it down. So here you can see straight away I've got 62, 62. So I'm happy with that. Now it's a matter of I can put that back in now. Just a matter of now of filling in. So 56. 79. 37 minus 3, 34. Last one, 49 plus 3, 52. Now the figure has gone down, but what you don't ever want to see is, for argument's sake, have 65 in there, a bigger figure than over here. Right, it looks to be pretty handy. So I know 0.18 is standard to fast. It's just in on the bottom end of the scale. So what I always do before I post the ratings into the tool on the Raising Post website, I just double check that these figures are right, because it's amazing how many times you can look at something and have a total wrong figure. You add it instead of subtracting. But just a matter of cleaning this up now. I always hide this thing. So there you have it. The going allowance for Lingfield on the 22nd was 0.18.